Hey, we're at Ferntech here, the DJI Authorised Retail Store in Auckland. We're about to take the Mavic Mini for its first test flight in New Zealand. We'll take it for a few runs through the store and then we'll take it outside. The wind's at about 35 kilometres, so it is above the threshold that DJI recommend, but we'll take it out and see how it goes. There's the Mini, the Spark, the Mavic here. As you can see, the Mini is smaller than the Spark because now it has foldable arms. As we move through the range, size, price, features change, but at this price point, $669, amazing value for money. Let's boot it up, take it outside, and we'll see how it gets on. There we go, the first test flight of the Mavic Mini in New Zealand. It handled the blustery winds outside surprisingly well. It's rated up to 28 kilometers an hour, which is very similar to the Spark and Mavic Air, so very easy to use craft, very capable. We're looking forward to the official release date next Monday in New Zealand. Come to the DJI Authorised Retail Store, secure your unit now. Thanks for watching.